Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Oracle Cloud Console step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the address for Oracle Cloud. Press enter to load the page. Once the page is loaded, look for the sign in button. Click on the sign in button. You will be directed to the login page. Locate the field for your email address. Enter your registered email address in that field. Next, find the password field. Type in your password associated with your account. After entering your credentials, look for the Sign In button on the page. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to the Oracle Cloud Console dashboard. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you are logged in, you can explore the various features available in the console. Remember to log out when you are finished using the Oracle Cloud Console. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.